Hi and welcome back. Now I have rinsed and washed my papers because they were a little bit too dark, and they are dry now, so maybe they're a little bit damp, but they're going to dry, and maybe they're going to be a little bit more lighter. So see here, these are even more darker, and this is only copy paper, but you can see the pattern now and how just a little bit here and there. It's beautiful, really beautiful. I like this too. And actually this is after my mother and her husband. They have a company, so this is the, I don't know what you call it in English, something with a stock letter or something like that. But it wasn't on the stock market, so more copy paper. And this is mixed media paper. This is also mixed media paper. My granddaughter drawing something she didn't like, and she said, yeah, you can use it. Oops, there was, when I was drying it, I put it on this cardboard. And now you know here, you see this one is so beautiful. Ooh. And I don't know why this just get a little bit lighter. I really don't know that, but anyhow, I like how it came out. And I'm going to do some coffee stain and things on it, and maybe with a black ink too. I just have to show you too the fabric that I have not printed. I did the eco printing, and this is just the fern from my garden, and then I just put the fern and the fabric, just like a sandwich, you know, with fabric on top too, and I run it through my, what's the name, the scrapbooking thing, and you use it when you do the dye thing in your for your scrapbooking. Anyhow, this was really lovely, you see. And I think this is just we call it sap, I think, from the fern. So after the pressure through the machine, it just make a imprint, and then when I just put a lot of this rusty water, it came out like this. Beautiful. So thank you for today. Have a nice day.